I'm going to get my knife in and I'm going to clean the silver skin. So just slide your knife in and clean up any silver skin in your tenderloin. There's quite a lot of silver skin on pork tenderloin. Just slide your knife in under that silver skin and then go in the other direction. Take it off. So what I have here now is my piece of pork tenderloin. I've cleaned off silver skin and fat. So we're basically we are searing this nicely so that you have a nice little caramelization on it. So heat your pan, get an unscented and neutral high smoke point oil into your pan for searing your pork tenderloin. So I'm getting a little bit of oil. Now while my oil is heating, I'm going to salt my pork tenderloin, just season it with some salt. There we go. On all sides. And once you know your oil is nice and hot, once you've seasoned your pork, my stove is pretty fast. I got a good 2-3 tablespoons of oil in my pan here. I'm going to get my pork in and just let it sit there until it's sealed on that one side. I'm looking for it to just brown up nicely. Taking a peek, it's not quite there yet. It'll be pretty quick with tenderloin. I'm going to turn it. So, can you hopefully see how much it's browned? I'm not going deep, but it's a nice golden brown. So I'm doing it on all 4 sides. And then finally the last side. And then I'll be placing my pork tenderloin on this cooling rack and taking this pan off the heat because I want the caramelization. Okay, so I'm good. Let's show you this. Get my pan off the heat. There we go. And you can see I've got a nice lightly seared pork tenderloin happening here. So it's nice and golden on all sides, okay guys? That's what you're looking for.